My great-grandfather started the company back in 1942 during the Second World War, so we got our start retreading and recapping tires. Today, we are a full automotive repair facility. We've expanded the company throughout the St. Louis, Jefferson City, Springfield, and Kansas City markets.
It's always easy to bring my car in because I know when I talk to the guys at Telle that they're going to say what needs to be repaired, and they're going to be very thorough about how they approach that. They're going to be telling me the costs, they're going to be telling me what I can wait on, what I can't wait on, and they're very honest and make sure that I and my vehicle are very well taken care of.
At Telle Tire and Auto Center, we offer everything from tires and oil changes to engine and transmission overhauls and everything in between.
With the appointment basis that they use, it makes it nice because I know when I'm dropping the car off, and then the loaner car helps that I know approximately what time I'm going to be able to pick it up each time.
The digital inspection is a form of transparency. It's hard to say your oil pan is leaking and you don't see a leak on the floor, but with the pictures, it just kind of speaks 1,000 words.
They're always on top of inspections and state things that I forget about. So yeah, I leave it up to them to sort of keep me posted and keep my cars up to date.
It's not just a dealer, it's not just a shop that works at your car. And I think part of the family atmosphere is, we're treating that car like it's one of our family members' cars. We want to make sure everything's right.